Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So this is GATE Institute Engineering 2014 IN. Question number 28. So the question is that we are given a matrix A for which you have to check for a matrix A satisfying the equation, the eigenvalues you have to find out for this matrix A. So what is this matrix doing basically is you can see that it is basically swapping the second and the third rows, right? So and now you have to find the eigenvalues of this A matrix, right? So let's just start. There is just one basic thing to know in this particular question, which is that if a matrix that swaps rows or columns by pre or post multiplication or post multiplication, right? So actually it's like respectively rows are by pre multiplication, columns are by post multiplication. What is the matrix? That matrix is the permutation matrix. If you don't know permutation matrix, so it is basically an identity matrix only. This is my identity matrix. So my identity matrix, if you change its rows, right? Now here you can see that second and the third row are getting swapped with each other. So we will also do the same thing. We will swap the second and the third row of identity matrix. All right. So let's just swap it and check what happens if we pre-multiply this matrix with our given matrix. So let's just start. So let's just swap it. So we will get 0 0 1 and 0 1 0. So what this matrix will do is, now this is quite interesting. Now you multiply this matrix, sorry, now you multiply this matrix with your given matrix, which is this one, right? So let's just multiply this. We will get, let's just check what we get. Okay, so I will get, my first row will be 1 and rest all is 0. It will be 2 and 3. Now second row will be 0 0 1. That means 0 plus 0 plus 7, right? So plus 4, so we will be getting 4. Now again 0 plus 0 plus 5, so we will be getting 5. So again 0 plus 0 plus 6, so we will be getting 6. Similarly, when you multiply the third row, so can you see guys, this is a matrix which is swapping the rows by pre-multiplication. So pre-multiplying this matrix swaps the rows, okay, swaps the rows. And if we post multiply it, right, and we do the same thing to the identity matrix, it will do the same thing to the matrix with which it is multiplied. Post multiplying will swap the columns. All right, so we just found out our matrix which is needed in the question. This is my A matrix. Can you see it? So this basically is my A matrix, because pre-multiplying with this changes the rows for me, right? So for A matrix, which we have now got to be our permutation matrix, which is we found by swapping the second and the third rows of the identity matrix, which is this. Now this is my A matrix. Now I need to find the eigenvalues, which is very simple. If you want to go into the details of permutation matrix, this matrix is known as a permutation matrix. If you want to go in all the details about permutation matrix, about how its eigenvalues are, what are its eigenvalues, what is its trace, what is its determinant, all those things, if you want to know about all those things, you can message me in the comment section. I will provide the link. to you, in which they're telling all the properties of the permutation matrix. So we have this. Now you just find out the eigenvalues of this. When we find out eigenvalues, so this is 1 and this will give me, it's kind of a block diagonal maximum. Otherwise you can find it straight away only. You will get x square minus 1 from here, right? So you will get 1 and minus 1. So these are the 3 eigenvalues which we are getting. That is, my answer is C. Thank you for watching, guys. Please, I'll write with green, please subscribe to my channel and also hit the like button, and please share my videos as much as possible with your friends if you like it. Thank you for watching.